Hello friends, today I'm going to read you this book, Miss Mary Mack. Now Miss Mary Mack is an old nursery rhyme and a hand clapping game, but this author, Mary Ann Hoberman, has adapted this story. That means that she's added to it and made it a whole lot of fun. And then she got her friend Nadine Bernard Westcott to draw pictures for it. She's the illustrator. So, we're going to find out the rest of the story for Miss Mary Mack, okay? And in the front of this book, it's got instructions on how to play the hand clapping game. I'm not going to do it right now, but it also has the music for the song. So I am going to sing the song. All right. Remember that sometimes the pictures at the beginning that don't have any story written on them are still part of the story. The illustrator helps tell the story by drawing pictures. So I'm noticing over here that this guy, he is asleep. And I'm noticing over here the word zoo and an elephant leaving. Should an elephant be leaving the zoo? I don't think so. I wonder if this guy who is asleep over here, if he's supposed to be watching the elephant. Let's find out. Miss Mary Mack, 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 all dressed in black, 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 with silver buttons, buttons, buttons all down her back, back, back. She asked her mother, mother, mother for 50 cents, cents, cents to see the elephant, elephant, elephant jump the fence, fence, fence. He jumped so high, 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 he reached the sky, 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 and didn't come back, back, back till the 4th of July, July, July. He fell so fast, 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 he fell so hard, 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 he made a hole, hole, hole in her backyard, yard, yard. The ketchup splashed, splash, splash, the soda popped, 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 the people screamed, 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 the picnic stopped, stopped, stopped. He landed with a bumpy thud, 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 and he got full, full, full of muck and mud, mud, mud. Miss Mary Mack, Mack, Mack gave him a drink, 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 and he got clean, 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 quick as a wink, wink, wink. His keeper came to take him back, back, back. Oh, please don't go, 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 cried Miss Mary Mack, Mack, Mack. Oh. I'll feed you hay, 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 and peanut tea, 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 if you will stay, 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 and live with me, me, me. The silver buttons, buttons, buttons down her dress, dress, dress will be all yours, 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 if you say yes, yes, yes. Now Mary Mack, 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 all dressed in black, 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 has purple buttons, buttons, buttons all down her back, 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 And elephant, fent has shiny rows of silver buttons down his nose. And every day for 50 cents, they both go out and jump the fence. Look at this. That's where he landed. And now they have an elephant-shaped swimming pool. Isn't that funny? I noticed when I was singing the song some really fun things in the pictures. I noticed over here that there's dogs and cats that are watching the elephants. And I noticed over here the zookeeper. This is the guy who was asleep in that first page that we looked at. That's that guy. You think he should have been asleep? Probably not. And then on this page, I noticed that while she's trying to convince the elephant to stay, these dogs have knocked the zookeeper over. And they've jumped on him. And then, look at him start to run away. And the dogs are barking at him. And the cat is hanging onto his back. And even that bird is helping chase him away. Because they all want the elephant to stay with Miss Mary Mack. Now, Miss Mary Mack, all of those things start with the letter M. Miss Mary Mack. All right? And that's why we read that book today. Because we were looking for something that started with letter M, but it was also a lot of fun. Have a great day.